Chrisel here and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. I know you're enjoying your coffee or your breakfast with your family. You're having your quality time. I don't want to ruin your family quality time. That is very important. Just continue having quality time with your family. But maybe later you can spend a little bit of your time to join me in this video. So okay guys, today in this video I am going to show you, as you can see in the title, we did a little bit of upgrades in our patio area. We decorated, we put some accent wall decor and furniture. So this video will be added on my home decor DIY playlist. So if you guys are interested in those type of videos, please visit my playlist and check those videos. Because of COVID, we are forced to buy furnitures and some little things for our patio area. Since we can't go outside and we don't want to be in our house 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So at least we can hang out in our backyard with our kids and have some fresh air. So this is going to be unboxing plus DIY decor video. Here we go. We ordered this patio set at Amazon. If you guys are interested or want to check this out, I did put the link in the description down below. How is it? These furnitures are literally fit in 3 boxes and we have to assemble it. These are all cube shapes, which means you can do different designs like L shape or you separate them. But for our patio area, since we just have a limited space, we will do L shape. Burgers beef. Then we put those accent trees just to add colors, then some wall decor which makes the wall colorful as well since we have light color wall paint. Then I decided to put this outdoor rug just to make the looks complete. These 3 little chairs here are not planned. That time we're driving around in the neighborhood and one of the neighbors are doing garage sale, and we saw that 3 chairs and we really can't say no because of the price. They're almost giving it away. So don't worry, we wore masks, we wore gloves, we sprayed it, we sanitized it. That's how paranoid we are. So I thought I can put that in our kitchen island, but it really didn't match our house theme. So we end up putting these chairs here in our patio area. And that's our little project this week. I hope you guys like it. Please support and help this channel to grow by hitting that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet in my channel, and please don't forget that bell notification for you to get notified for the new video, and give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking this video. If you are new to this channel, welcome and thank you so much for visiting this channel. This channel is a little bit of everything from family vlogs, home decor, DIY, beauty, fashion, travel, and some cooking videos. I am uploading videos Monday and Friday, so I hope to see you guys in my next. If you have questions or suggestions to my next content, please put that in the comment down below. And thank you so much for spending your time with me in this video, and enjoy the rest of your day. God bless everyone. Bye.